A pleasant day to all of the participants, organizers, and guests of today's summit. It is an honor and pleasure to be a part of this year's InsurTech Summit, which offers a stage for learning, development, and discussion among our peers and partners in the microinsurance sector. With that, I would like to express my earnest gratitude and appreciation to the Microinsurance Intermediaries and Practitioners Association of the Philippines, or MIPAP, for having me as one of their speakers for this activity. I would like to also acknowledge the participation of GIZ and PIRA in organizing this event. Insurance has been proven to be an effective tool in mitigating costs and expenses stemming from unforeseen events such as accidents, loss of lives, and other natural disasters. With what we have experienced last year, the importance of owning an insurance plan has been further emphasized. However, one issue on the insurance is affordability. And let's be honest, there is still this connotation among our countrymen that insurance is only for those who earn well. To address this issue, microinsurance and microfinance instruments were introduced in the country to cater the needs of the low-income and other marginalized sectors, giving them the protection akin to insurance but at a lower cost of premium. In the recent years, technologies and digital innovations, popularly known as InsurTech, are continuously changing the nature of insurance industry. Just as how the technology is transforming the traditional insurance business, these developments could also bring tremendous effects on the microinsurance sector. The adoption of various InsurTech innovations could open lots of opportunities and challenges for the microinsurance and microfinance providers. It is therefore important for us to stay on the lookout for trends that could potentially reshape the landscape of the microinsurance industry. InsurTech has been around for years and is continuously evolving. But the recent pandemic served as a catalyst to further accelerate the digitalization of the insurance industry. With the social restrictions and other quarantine protocols being imposed nationwide, various industries, including the insurance industry, were compelled to rely on technologies and digital platforms that support remote communication. Through online and virtual means, we were able to stay connected with our clients, customers, and stakeholders despite the pandemic situation. In the near future, even after this pandemic, we can expect that technology will continue to become a huge part of the insurance and microinsurance industries. Continued evolution in the digital and mobile platforms are seen to give rise to online services, which could replace face-to-face or human transactions in the process of procuring an insurance product. Technology, once used wisely and efficiently, could be a powerful tool that could widen our reach and make financial risk protection more inclusive for every Filipino. The massive growth in the use of smartphones and other mobile devices, in particular, has provided an opportunity to deliver cost-effective distribution of information and financial literacy campaigns to the targeted markets and audiences. As continued digitalization of the industry could open opportunities, it could also pose challenges both on the part of the product providers and the regulators. The use of technology must match the technological skills and resources of the large target market. For instance, the online payment of premiums could be a big convenience for clients covered by microinsurance and other similar insurance products with small premiums. But online collection of premiums can be a challenge when applied to customers who does not have bank accounts or other saving instruments. On the same note, regulatory sandboxes and policies should evolve in parallel with the adoption and evolution of these insurtech innovations. This urged the Commission to promulgate a set of guidelines on the adoption of a regulatory sandbox framework which will provide the controlled environment needed for the small scale and the live testing of such technologies. Finally, the biggest challenge we could face in going digital is the challenge of keeping our data secured. Hackers, data miners, and other cyber fraud still abound and waiting to victimize vulnerable systems. Nonetheless, this challenge should not stop us from accepting technology and innovations in our industry. Technology is here and it is good. We just need to know how to use it and protect it from malicious entities. In the end, no matter what kind of technology our system we use, it is imperative for the insurance and microinsurance industry to operate with a high sense of accountability in order to build and maintain trust among consumers, regulators, and other stakeholders. Let us always remember that serving the good and welfare of the insuring public must be one of our top priorities. Therefore, applying these innovations should not only make our jobs easier and faster, it must also improve our quality of service to the people. Technology is a powerful tool, but the efforts in creating a financially inclusive society for every Filipino is still ours to make. I hope that this activity will be a source of new learning for our microinsurance and microfinance service providers. Once again, thank you, and may you all have a safe and productive day ahead.